Let me get the other one to show you guys so you can see kind of the difference, because I did cut the strap off. Call me crazy, but let me get it. I will most likely not get paid in full, or places would not buy this handbag. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I can't wait to share with you what's in here. I am super excited that my husband picked this up for me. It's something that I have on my wish list, and I own this handbag, but some of you guys know that I did alter it. I removed the strap because I just prefer the look without the strap. After a while, I was actually contacted by my lovely sales associate again that they have another one, so she asked if I wanted it. I was like, yes, of course. So I'm very happy to be sharing a live unboxing with you guys. And as you guys know, usually I don't do unboxing on the channel, but sometimes when I want to tell a story, I think it's important to include this as a part of the story. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. Cutie here. Don't you just love undo the ribbons? And I think the receipt is in here as well. So voila, okay, so that's receipt. And here is the content that's inside the box. And hello again, this beautiful Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. And today, this is going to be the main character that we're gonna be talking about. So let me break it down with you guys, and let's dive into what's so special about this Nano Speedy.
A las 5 AM, tirando fuego hasta que el beat se queme. Suicide, estamos listos desde Green para el despegue. Me salgo de este espacio bloqueado en 4 paredes.
Me pego un bajón a las 5 AM, tirando fuego hasta que el beat se queme. Suicide, estamos listos, 3, 2, 1, el despegue. Me salgo de este espacio bloqueado en 4 paredes.
Tengo los pies con llagas por jugar changa de básquet. Las mismas tillas ya están rotas por delante. El gorro polo mientras corto el trozo de este sample. Escucha esta crema y ve quién es el responsable. WS como doble S desde el sur. Pobre y rico hermano, andamos rich and poor, pero nunca como tú que no tienes calle ni cruz. Nosotros por San Juan les damos tour.
Me pego un bajón.
My first Nano Speedy, you can tell that she had already aged. The leather had already patinaed. I did not spray anything on here because I just love the natural tan look, and luckily I don't think I've gotten any oil on here, but it is a risk factor that you will have to consider if you're someone does not like the more rustic look where your handles will be featured with oil spots and etc. So this is my natural raw look Nano Speedy, and I've had her for quite a while now, so it's just something that I've always liked. This is something that I was offered to buy very recently, and I know that the store has been out of stock, and so is online. It's been quite a popular item that a lot of people are trying to get their hands on. I do feel very lucky that I got called to collect this piece, but at the same time, you know, this is something that I already own. However, I do think having a complete and unique piece is something great to be added again to my collection. And just a little bit more general information on the Nano Speedy. It is a nano size, which is probably the smallest size that Louis Vuitton makes on their handbag series. If we were to list the sizes from the smallest to the biggest for the Speedy, then the tiniest size is this Nano Speedy, and usually there would be a mini size between the nano and the regular size. At least for now, the mini does not exist. So from nano, then we have the size 25, which is the smallest size that the Speedy line offers. Then from there, we have size 30, Speedy size 35, and size 40. The Speedy has then expanded to becoming the Keepall, which is a travel duffel, or the weekender if you call it. It's more of a travel piece. And 40 is a larger size, and I think is also more compatible if you were to take it when you're traveling. So this edition is probably the newest one, and before Speedy was made into a handbag. I know that Louis Vuitton had offered a very similar silhouette, which is the one without the side tab and the strap, and that bag was called the Mini HL. But I do believe that particular bag was discontinued in 2014-ish before they released a Speedy with the strap. That's when smaller bags has been ruling the fashion world. It has become like people's go-to when it comes down to smaller purses. So Louis Vuitton as a brand made a very smart decision to remove the Mini HL from their canvas line, and instead they have decided to add this Nano Speedy as a handbag, which now it have a non-removable strap. And some people like the idea that it does have a strap, but they don't like that it's fixed to the bag. That's the reason why I cut off the strap on this one, because I just, you know, can you see how different between the two? And I just prefer this one so much more without the strap. It's like no strap attached.
A las 5 AM, tirando fuego hasta que el beat se queme. Sousa, estamos listos desde que para el despegue. Me salgo de este espacio bloqueado en 4 paredes.
Me pego un bajón a las 5 AM, tirando fuego hasta que el beat se queme. Sousa y estamos listos, 3, 2, 1, el despegue. Me salgo de este espacio bloqueado en 4 paredes.
Tengo los pies con llagas por jugar changa de básquet. Las mismas tillas ya están rotas por delante. El gorro polo mientras corto el trozo de este sample.
And I'm pretty sure some of you are gonna ask me, how did I get this bag? And I know that it's a very, very popular and hard to get item for a while now. And currently, this bag is retailed at $1,180 US plus tax. So I paid about $1,260. So yes, I paid near $1,300, but to be exact is $1,292.10 in US dollars. I'm not too familiar with how much this bag would have cost before the price increase, but I know that Louis Vuitton had already bumped up the prices for all of their leather goods and many other things. So I think I did pay more on this one compared to before. I just think it's nice to have something in its complete form, because as you guys know, my other one does not have a strap. The reason why I decided to remove it was because I do have a removable strap from the other bag, so if I wanted to wear it as a crossbody, I can always remove the strap and then wear it as a crossbody. However, if you are thinking to resell your handbag in the future, then I definitely recommend you to not modify anything on the handbag, because you know, it kind of ruins the authenticity of the handbag, as the original handbag did come with a strap that is not removable. So most likely, if I were to resell this one right here, I will most likely not get paid in full, or places would not buy this handbag because it's been modified. So it's something that's good to keep in mind when you buy a handbag, because this one would definitely sell for a lot more than what you paid in full price. This bag also came at a very unexpected time, because I was not expecting to receive a call from my contact that works at Louis Vuitton, but she did text me and let me know that there is one available, and I was not expecting her to call me, because she even told me she had not seen this bag for a while. And some of you who follow me on Instagram also know that I do have the Nano Noe, which is also a random piece that I collected when I was traveling, and I also have a story to tell on the Nano Noe. So I was thinking to maybe do a comparison video for you guys between two of their most popular nano pieces from the monogram canvas line, which is the Nano Noe and the Nano Speedy. So if you are interested in watching that video, give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comment below, so I will go ahead and make that video for you guys. So my assumption is, if you are wanting to purchase a mini Speedy right now, maybe the production has resumed and right now the manufacturer is producing more of these pieces now, because I know for a while there's no stock available anywhere, not in store and not online. So if you are someone who is thinking to purchase this handbag, I would say maybe now it's a good time to check in with your SA again, or just be on her radar so they know to contact you once the item comes in. And that's pretty much how I got the item. I just got a call because the person I work with knows that I wanted another piece, so that's how it worked out. Alright, so I don't want to keep this video too long. It's a short video today, so if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment below, and I look forward to answering your questions. And you can also follow My First Luxury on Instagram if you haven't, because over there I share a lot more product photos so you can see more of a realistic and everyday look with it. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope we're connected. If not, the subscribe button is right there. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.